Tiong Bahru Bakery, now in the Philippines, redefines the art of baking with its signature pastries, crafted to perfection. Savor the buttery goodness of freshly baked croissants, local-inspired treats, and rich coffee, a taste of Singapore's finest, now closer than ever. Located at Verb Residences, High Street South by Alveo Land.